like a storybook. And what time is it? I feel like I want to unbox one more product. I'll be doing another video for that. So it's currently around 1:40 a.m. in the morning. And guys, matchy. Hi guys, Nikki here. Welcome back to my channel. This is super exciting guys because honestly, I can't wait to unbox this. I'm gonna be unboxing L'Occitane Advent Calendar 2019. It's already 1 a.m. in the morning. So I just got home and before going to sleep, I just want to unbox this. There are 24 products here inside. So this is the box guys. It's a 2019 L'Occitane Advent Calendar. I really can't wait to open this one. I have no idea what's inside. But I got one because I fell in love with this one. It's the cooling hand cream. This one smells amazing. I got this one at duty free and I really like the texture of the hand cream. This is the hand cream guys. It's at the back. Just going to open this one. 75 ml and this can last really long. And guys, matchy. Let us now unbox this. This is the front. It says here, in the land of the almond trees, a tale from L'Occitane. And then there's like very cute design. It's a tale from L'Occitane. So excited to open this, promise. At the back, you will see the product description. Show you. Close up. This is already December. I really can't wait. So guys, I'm already unboxing it. And then take off the plastic. Oh my gosh. I mean, this is the box. I'm going to open this one. And here it is guys. It looks really fancy. Guys. It's so pretty. As you can see guys, it's like a storybook and I really can't wait to open this guys. It smells like soap. It's for Christmas since it's December. So you're supposed to open this one every single day. I'm gonna be trying it. Just hear the story of almond trees. So up close. There. Here's one. And here's number one. Oh my gosh. I think it's so cute. I have no idea what's this guys. The first one is the Precious Cream. Oh! Perfect if you're gonna travel. Guys, let's try. It smells pretty strong. There's like shea butter, sunflower seed oil. It's for day one. So I'm gonna be searching for number two. Here's number two, guys. So there's like a guy here. This is the gift. This is number two. Oh, it's a lip balm. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. So here's the product. Super tiny. You have one lip balm from Innisfree. Wait, shaking. Look at the size. So everything here is like a sample. It's travel friendly. You guys can try everything. It's pretty cool. We're gonna look for number three here. Oh my gosh. I'm into hand cream lately. It's the Rose hand cream. By the way, it's 10 ml. Exercise, integrate outdoors. Like there's like a mini challenge day. So December 3 guys, I'm gonna exercise outside. There, that is the Rose hand cream. So here's the third product. There, this is the fourth. What's this? It says here, recharge your batteries, buy rechargeable and save money. Oh, this is bigger compared to the rest. It's called the Body Ultra Rich Cream. Like shea butter, there's apricot and sunflower seed oil. So I'm gonna be trying this one soon. Oh, we have more to go. Next is the fifth one. Hey guys, so the fifth one is this one. Another hand cream. It says here, relax, take a moment to enjoy the calming influence of nature. So again, it's color green. And this is the almond hand cream. Almond hand cream. I'm pretty curious for this one. Cream. It's delicious hands. It says here. So this is what the product looks like. Fifth versus the sixth. And there's like a tiny soap. Oh, it's a sugar cube. I don't know what's this one. I haven't tried it. So it's a sugar cube for bath with essential oils. I'm gonna be using this one soon. It smells good. It smells good like sugar with lavender. That's what it smells. Oh, it's a mint pine rosemary. That's why it smells so good. I love it. It smells really minty. I think this is perfect. Sugar cube for bath. I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna try everything tomorrow. The only thing here is that some are like white numbers and then it's red. Oh, here it is. It's another hand cream. This is a lavender hand cream. I'm gonna try everything. I'm so excited. It says year 2003, day 8. Oops, oh no, I broke it. Number 2, save power energy spills with low energy bulb. What's this? It's an almond. So this is a shower oil. I haven't tried shower oil yet, but I'm really curious for this one. You can see the product description at the back. This is 9. And I like it. This is a lip balm. No, it's not a lip balm. 5% shea butter. And this is a comforting cream. Made in France. Oh, it's for the face as well. It's a moisturizer. This is the moisturizer. Number 10. Newspaper into plant pots. So what's this? It's made with almond milk concentrate. So you're supposed to apply morning and evening on the whole body. So basically, it's an almond milk body lotion. So 11 is this one. It says here, clean with green. Clean your home with lemon juice, vinegar, and baking soda for a natural sparkle. And what's this? Oh, it's a Verbena Body Lotion. This smells good, guys. This is the scent which I got. It smells amazing. Oh my god, so cute, oh. Show you guys. So this is the Verbena Body Lotion. Day 12, you get another hand cream, which is the cherry blossom. Revive, open your windows, and let in the fresh air. So here's the cherry blossom. This is the cherry blossom hand cream. 12, 13. What's this? This is the shampoo with 5 essential oils. It smells good. I want to try this already. I'm gonna use this tomorrow and tell you guys what I think about it. Here's the shampoo, guys. With 14 is this one. Day 14, there's more to go. So it says here, grow, plant some seeds, and watch them bloom. So this is the Aqua cream. This is for the face. It's a facial moisturizer. Hey guys, so I forgot to unbox number 15. There, so I'm gonna unbox. So basically, it's another hand cream with 20% shea butter. Day 16, extra gentle milk soap. Soap as well. It's day 17. Day 17. Oh, it's not hand cream. So this hand balm is for very dry skin. We're going to be opening number 18. Day 18. Yay! Oh, wow! It's my favorite scent of Verbena. It says here, get physical. Get physical. How about cycling or walking to work today? Let's see. I'm gonna walk. This is the Verbena soap. It smells good. This is the one I'm smelling earlier. It's pretty strong. This is the soap. There's 90. I think it's already like 2 a.m. in the morning. I'm still vlogging. I'm still searching for number 19. So bad. Here, guys, I'm so bad. I already found it. So this is 19. Day 19, you get, oh no. It says here, choose, reuse, and recycle. Try new habits. So this is their shampoo. What's this? A shampooing conditioner in 5 essential oils. So I guess it's a 2-in-1, I think. I think it's a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. Here's the product. I'm gonna go smell this one. Oh, it smells pretty strong. It smells like perfume. So I guess my hair will smell good with this. 20. Oh yes, I really like to try this one. This is the one I got, guys. This is 75 ml, and then you get a tiny one, around 10 ml, super tiny. It's really cute. I'll try one later. 21, here it is. Try to be extra careful. It says you light a candle. So this is the Verbena shower gel. If you guys are going to try out the hand cream from L'Occitane, try Verbena. It smells really good. On day 22, you get a cherry blossom shower gel. Here it is, guys. So this is like a mousse body shower gel. I really can't wait to try this one. I'll be trying the rest tomorrow and maybe later. So 23, I can't find 23. Where is it? Here. It says here, explore more, make time to walk around your neighborhood and discover something new. This is a foot cream. So this is a foot cream for your dry skin. So if you have dry feet, this is for you. It's a foot cream. Pretty interesting. I guess this is kind of thick. I think it has a thick formula. Here guys, so here's the foot cream. Guys, we're almost done. Last one. And the last product is this. Compared to the rest, this is bigger. It says here, be happy, connect with nature, and feel its magic. So this is a water gel cleanser. It's a bit bigger compared to the rest, so this will last pretty long. For around 2 months, I think, if you use it every day. So here it is guys, this is the water gel cleanser. So that's it. I told you guys earlier I want to try one hand cream. Yeah, I'm gonna be trying one. I'll be trying the cherry blossom. I'm gonna be trying the cherry blossom. I'll tell you guys my thoughts about this advent calendar. Whenever you open this one, every day there's like a reminder or a challenge for you to do. And I like it. You can really feel the Christmas spirit. Very cute products that you can try every single day. Try this one. Cherry blossom hand cream. Try it. Here. And the smell. I had one before, but I forgot the scent. It smells good. I prefer this one, the Verbena hand cream. You want me to try it? And this is a cooling hand cream, by the way. It's really refreshing. So that's it for my unboxing video. I hope you guys had fun. At least you guys had an idea already. If you like to try most of their products, this advent calendar is for you. Go try it out. This is perfect as a gift for your friends, and especially a gift for yourself. So that's it for today's video. I'm gonna update you guys. What time is it? I feel like I want to unbox one more product. I'll be doing another video for that. So it's currently around 1:40 a.m. in the morning. I had fun opening this one. Super cute. So guys, just gonna close this up. It's time to wrap up. Very cute guys. Like before going to sleep, you get to close and open this one. If you guys like to read the product description, you can see it here. It says like light comforting cream, Verbena Body Lotion, cooling hand cream gel. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and to click the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. Go check out my Instagram, which is @Dominic_NKI. Let's be friends. Let's connect. Guys, see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!